Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi 12 Lite, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. If you wanna you can see here on the box all of our package contents. So we have here the mobile phone, so our device, the adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM eject tool, protective case, quick start guide, warranty card, and the safety information. So let's check all of these contents here. So the phone is here. Here we can find the SIM eject tool, the safety guide, warranty card, and the quick start guide. So this is the protective case, the protective silicone case in clear color. Let's use it. Okay, the next thing, this is the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, the original Xiaomi charger brick with all of the specs. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.